Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're down here at Memorial Weekend, off-road event put on by the Minnesota Go Four Wheelers, and we have a special guest for the weekend that came all the way out from Oregon just to spend the weekend with us recovering vehicles. Nikki, say hi.
Hey, how's it going?
They tell me you have a YouTube channel too.
I do. It's not very big and it's not what everyone's interested in, but I want to start some more car content on there. So
it's Hot Wheels?
Yeah, I collect Hot Wheels. I love collecting some antique stuff, some collectibles and everything. So
that's where it all started for me.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. The wing off of my bumper is missing. And I know some of you have been asking how that happened. Well, we'll get to that in a few minutes. First, I got to tell you what's going on here. Earlier in the day, as we were heading by to go get another truck from out on the trails, we were flagged down to quickly take this buggy off of the racetrack when he broke. So we quickly did that and set him down in the pit area here and went on about our recoveries. Now that the show was over, it's time to pick him up and take him back to the campground. So, where did I lose my bumper? Well, I didn't know it at the time, but I lost it on the racetrack. I had actually thought I lost it out in the woods and went searching for it. But at the end of the day, one of the racetrack officials came up to me and handed me my bumper wing. Okay, with that story out of the way, now let's get back to the buggy. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for Nicky to get his hands dirty, so to speak, and be part of the team for the weekend.
Yep, that's one. And we throw this in underneath the axle.
Nicky had been riding with us all day, watching everything. So we decided to step it up a little bit, put him to work.
And you just put that, untie the knot, make sure that's not that productive here.
You're doing fine. Take your time. There you go. Now reach through your, yep. There you go.
Okay, let me have this end up first.
All right. What happened to it?
Kingpin bolts. Earlier today, I think the connecting bolt came out because that one ain't broke off.
Now you can pull that snug.
Yeah.
And make sure that link is all, no, make sure that goes in there. There we go.
Truck with 40. Got a broken rear axle.
Like that.
Gonna tow truck.
Well, it was an easy run back to his campsite.
So you want it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And gear?
Even though it wasn't off the trails, we'll let you have one of these too if you want.
Oh, thanks.
Take care. After that, we had a moment where there wasn't anything for us to do. So we headed back to our campsite. Maybe we'll get a break. Well, it never fails. As soon as I open a sandwich, we get a call. Heading out to Scruff this time. So we were already at Scruff once today, and that was the one with the broken transmission and transfer case. Now this one's Jeep, I think. I don't know. We'll find out when we get there.
The sandwich you were eating. Yeah, a little bit. What happened?
I broke everything. My passenger wheel.
Oh, wow. Yes, sir, you did.
Oh yeah.
That did a number.
From the front.
Right here.
Now let's see. If my crew's good enough, I won't even have to put my sandwich down.
Yeah, broke the knuckle. How's that sandwich, Eric?
Right up over there.
Well, here, yeah, let's, hang on. Right there.
Okay, perfect.
Eric wasn't gonna let that good sandwich go to waste.
He's been trying to get to that sandwich.
He's been trying to get to that sandwich all day.
Right, we're just
We don't have to put it down. That's a good thing. All right, is that gonna hang in there? Or do we need to put a strap on it? I got a strap here. No, it's still on there.
That one will hang in there.
Yep. Okay. Yep, hop in, neutral, and we're good to go. All right, I didn't have to put my sandwich down. We're ready to go.
Got you out of the woods. You were on the hook, so you get one of these.
Awesome, thank you.
Well, there's another recovery done. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Little more. You need about 3 inches off the ground because the new tires are bigger. Right there. All right. Now you can shut it off for now.